Selnivo Air Conditioner is marketed as a compact portable cooling device that supposedly cools rooms quickly while using very little electricity. But the real question is, does it actually provide real cooling, or is it another mini air cooler making exaggerated claims? Now, to be fair, some portable cooling devices can make you feel more comfortable at close range, especially in hot weather. Small evaporative coolers and fans do provide limited personal cooling in certain conditions. What it does well may provide personal cooling at close distance. Small cooling units like this can feel refreshing when pointed directly at your face or desk area, especially in dry environments. Usually portable and easy to use. Devices in this category are lightweight, USB-powered, and simple to move between rooms or workspaces. Where it falls short, likely not a real air conditioner. This is the biggest issue. Many products advertised online as portable air conditioners are actually small evaporative coolers or fans that cannot truly cool an entire room like a real AC unit. Cooling claims are often exaggerated. Experts in online communities repeatedly warn that these mini devices usually cannot significantly lower room temperature. At best, they create a localized cooling sensation. Performance depends heavily on humidity. Evaporative coolers work much worse in humid environments. In places with high humidity, the cooling effect may feel weak or barely noticeable. So, does the Selnivo air conditioner actually work? Short answer, probably only as a small personal cooler, not as a true room air conditioner. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.